very important details that are coming in at this point. The center has now directed all major ports across the country to waive off any shipping charges on cargo that is carrying oxygen or oxygen related equipment. The center has made it amply clear that this is on priority, and hence any shipping charges that are attached to cargo carrying oxygen or oxygen related equipment must be waived off. I want to cut across to my colleague Madhurima, who is tracking more details on the same. Madhurima, tell us more about what the center has directed. Where all is the oxygen coming from when it comes to via cargo, via shipping cargo, and what's the situation?
Well, when we talk about the dearth of oxygen, this step has been taken to combat that so that different parts of the country do not face the dearth of oxygen that is currently staring the face of the nation, and during this very deadly second wave, because of which we are reporting over 3 lakh cases every day and 2,000 fatalities due to COVID-19, which is why this particular decision has been taken by the government. The government has directed all the major ports to make sure that they are not charging anything when it comes to these ships who are carrying oxygen or oxygen related any equipment, oxygen cylinders, oxygen pipes, and all the other equipment that is used to supply and facilitate all the hospitals which need oxygen to combat this particular fight. Now, we've also seen that how the Prime Minister is trying to make sure that oxygen is reaching each and every hospital. When we talk about the national capital also, there is a severe dearth that we have been reporting. But this is a very good step that has been directed by the government, because as the Prime Minister promised that nobody will have to know,
right,
no single hospital will have to face the dearth of oxygen as private.
Oh yes, and I believe, Madhurima, the center is taking several steps in this direction.